Thank you for joining me. We are going to make corn fritters today. I'm using leftovers. I made pork schnitzel earlier and I had leftover crust ingredients. I always do that. So I am using them to make corn fritters. For a full recipe for corn fritters, check my website, cookingwithdenise.com. You will also find it in the description below. With my leftover egg milk mix and my leftover flour and breadcrumbs, I mixed my breadcrumbs with the flour, and now I've got some frozen corn. I didn't want to waste those ingredients, so I'm throwing some corn into the milk and egg mixture. And that's looking like about 3/4 a cup of corn. It's frozen, so it's got some moisture to it. Mix it up a little. And then I'm going to add some of this flour breadcrumbs mixture. Stir that up. Make me a little batter here. And I'm going to end up frying these, what I'll call corn fritters. When that corn melts a little, the iciness from it will make this a little thinner, but you don't want it too thin anyway, so this is working out well. Okay, let's let that sit for a bit, and then we'll fry it later. Now I'm heating my oil back up. Clean my skillet a little, put more oil into it. I'm heating it up. I'm going to fry up some corn fritters. Okay, I'm going to add my corn mixture into the skillet with these little fritters. There's a lot of water still in those fritters since they were frozen, but they are cooking up nicely. This will be a nice addition to our dinner. We're going to cook them for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. We'll check them to see if they're browning, and if the middle starts bubbling, it's about time to turn them over. It doesn't take that long. It has only been 1 minute on this side. I'm going to remove them from the skillet and let them drain on a paper towel. Now I will add in some more of my corn fritter batter. There we have some nice corn fritter. Thanks for watching. Bye now.